Hi and welcome to our next video about the Cotswolds in our motorhome. Here we are travelling through one of the many Cotswold villages. It's a really pretty little place, lovely stonework. And here we are in the town of Moreton in the Marsh, which is a lovely little town. We stayed on the local campsite and it was well worth a visit. And very pretty with a nice little market square. Here we are in Stow in the Wold, which we also visited using our scooter. Again, it's another nice little town. There was a little bit more to do than in Moreton in the Marsh. Nice little museum we went around and nice little church. The church itself is famous, as you can see here from the trees around the door. It was famous for being the inspiration for Lord of the Rings and the Hobbits. And here we are back out in the square, having had a great time. Thank you for watching.